Hi, so I hope you're doing very well. So in this video, I will demonstrate you the direct how I'm actually serving the video using the Gcore CDN. Okay, so I have another two videos. In the first video, I have actually demonstrated the overall high-level architecture of Movio, and then in the second video, it is a very long video, and where I've shown you the everything what happens in the backend. So it is very long video. I have also added the timestamp. You can, if you want to watch any part, you can click on this timestamp and watch the video. But in this video, you will be find the video in the video of this video. But in this video, I will directly show you how the video is being um, played using the CDN. So this is the CDN I am actually using, the Movio CDN AlgoCode. AlgoCoder site is my a domain. I'm using this domain for another uh, project I have built. That project is AlgoCode, that mimics the backend of LeetCode. So I have not using any third-party APIs, but I'm actually executing the code in Gcore container and generating the result of accepted wrong answer uh, uh, segmentation for etc. So I'm using the same domain name to construct the domain for my CDN. I'm using Cloudflare for this, and I'm using Gcore CDN, and S3 bucket is the upstream of the CDN. So I have already processed the two videos, two sample video. One is copy the president 6 minutes long video, and another is copy the president is copy for president short video. So I have this is the dash player, very simple dash player, and in the URL section I am actually passing the long video, yeah, CDN URL. So now let's see, I'll run the using the player, and you can see yeah, the video is being played. You can see. So you can see the subtitle is also being showing here, and the video is being played with a subtitle. And this is just a demo HTML format I have actually built. And now the interesting part is the inspection. Go to the network section and request again and see the magic. How this is adaptive bitrate. I am actually serving this sequence. I have already discussed everything about in the long video. You can see the timestamps to see what is actually doing here. But you can see these are the chunks. These are chunks. You can see a video is automatically being downloaded for better performance and for better being experience. These are the segments. These are the segments, MPEG-DASH segments, and this is the manifest file. This is where you can see the manifest. This everything is being started from this Movio CD navigable site from this section. Okay, so this is how the things are actually working, and I am actually all the video files have total 5 subtitles. The original that is English. Other than that, I am actually translating a subtitle in language Bengali, Hindi, French, and Spanish. So this subtitle is already also available in other subtitles language. You can see the subtitles other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But actually, I need to better JavaScript or better front-end client side who can actually work with clients that can show the subtitle. Okay, as I'm not that much good in client side working, so maybe a small tweak in the code can actually show the other subtitle also. So and I have the default subtitle in English. I'm actually showing the English, but you can, if you have the expertise in the front end, then you can also do this code and show the other because you can see other 4 subtitles here: Bengali, Hindi, French, and Spanish. So this is the English subtitle. You can see the subtitle file. You can see the PTT file from where the PTT file. You can look for a PTT file. Yeah, Langen. This PTT file, subtitle file, English file. So you can see this is also being served from the CD node. So this is how I'm actually serving all those segments, subtitles through a serial. For if you want to know more and know much more about it, you can definitely see the overall architecture or the backend demonstration video. So this is just showing for the video how video is being uh, delivered. So if you want to play the video, what you need to do, you just need to um, copy this HTML file from the API service, Movio API service, and the serial URL is already there. We just need to run using a live server, and that's all. Yeah, the video will be played. Everything is on production. We do not have to run any Docker container or anything. Just uh, clone this HTML code and run using local live server, and boom, you can see the video. Okay, and one thing more, that it is adaptive bitrate. It plays using adaptive bitrate. What is the adaptive bitrate? You can see here. You can see the size of the chunks. Let's it call it a chunk. Yeah, it is calling a chunk, and you can see the size. You can see the size of the chunks are different. So it is 2 MB size. It is 64 kbps only. It is also again 66 kbps. Okay, you can see it's 2 Mbps. Okay, so this is another period based on the networking, based on the network size. It is actually calling those segments the dash player. So the viewing experience is better, and the viewer does not experience any lagging. So video is transcoded in 360p, 480p, and 720p videos resolutions with 800 kbps, 1200 kbps, and 2400 kbps bitrate respectively. So, and you can see all those chunks are being served through the CD only. Okay, so let me show you the now another thing. You can see the subtitle is being also played here, and if I seek backward, okay, let me give some sound here. If I seek backward, that exact subtitle will be played. If I seek forward, uh, uh, the video will be forwarded, and that time of subtitle will be played. If I see backward, you can see that backward time, the sync exact that subtitle will be played. So everything is synced. If I can, you can actually seek forward, seek backward. The subtitle will be played for that specific time only. If I go here, you can see for this specific situation, and this subtitle is being played. And if I seek backward, you can see the subtitle of this dialogue is showing. So there is everything is just like a real you see in Netflix or in YouTube. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about it, you can definitely check out the other verbal architecture and the backend, how backend is actually working on that video. That video is long, but I have already added timestamp. You can watch that. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you soon. So cool. So you can see this playing perfectly. Thank you very much for watching.